Right now, arrest has been made, and maybe more arrests will be made. I personally feel let the law takes its own course right now because investigation is on. We have already made an arrest for not less than 34, 35 plus, so maybe more will be arrested who are directly involved in this particular case that has happened that night. So let us complete all these procedures. Once it is arrested, once we have done everything, so the investigation will tell us what is next to be done. The arrest is on, so I can't say exactly how many more, but those people, those culprits who are involved will certainly be arrested. I think, see, any incident which leads to ultimately law and order, pre-plan or no pre-plan, I think I can just come to a conclusion. But the fact remains, whether you talk about the pre-plan or you talk about the post-plan, see, the law is law, and the police personnel are here to serve the people of the state at any point of time, whether you are having problem or you don't have problem, whether there's a fight or there's no fight. But we need to be more vigilant, we need to be well active to make sure that, be it the town, be it the village, and the state as a whole, are totally peaceful.